How to create Pinterest vision board. To create a Pinterest vision board, you first need to set your intentions by brainstorming goals in category like health, career, and travel. Then your search for specific images on Pinterest, often adding terms like aesthetic or inspirations to match your vibe. So you just have to make sure to open up Pinterest first of all into your device. Here, you have to make sure to set your intention. That means you have to identify goals. You just want to make sure to reflect on what you want to achieve. Common category include career, personal growth, wellness, relationship, and finance as well. You then need to be specific. Instead of just travel, think hiking in the Swiss Alps or visiting Kyoto to find more targeted imagery as well. Now, to do this, you just want to make sure to go to the Pinterest profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you just want to go to the boards from the top of the page and tap on select. Now you want to go to the plus button and tap on boards, give a name to your board, and you could also toggle or keep this board a secret if you want a vision to remain private. This way you can create a Pinterest vision board. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.